I don't know if you can hear me or not. So it's 6 a.m. I just turned on my phone and friend Caitlin had messaged me at some point in the night, and it was like I'm going to the bathroom to sleep because her duplex fell apart with the wind. So I just now checked it and got the message. So we're going to go ahead and pack up and head to the car. It's just been torrential rain and wind. Like it's been like 24-mile-an-hour winds and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna get packed up. It's not gonna be fun packing up this tent in the rain. So oh god, I feel so bad for Kayla. I hope her tent ain't like destroyed, but anyway, we'll get packed up. But I did sleep good. I mean, the tent did its job. It kept us dry. No, there's no water. Like the sun blew in where like I didn't get it like tied down on that corner. But other than that, so good. The tent did great. So we might need to know the double rainbow will withstand some wind. Alright, so we're all packed up. Like there's a ton of water inside this bottom of this shelter, so I wouldn't bank on cowboy camping in here. But anyway, got everything ready to get in the rain. Got Caitlin, she's trying to warm back up. It is windy and wet and foggy. I mean, there is no view at all. Okay. Anyway, we'll show y'all the way. On the trail. Me and my second days, they're always the worst. Oh, this must have been the down tree he was talking about. Oh! Yeah. Yeah, that was my first reaction. I was like, oh no, what? Oh. Oh, great. This is gonna be... This ain't far below Waya. I went on the leaves. So you have a little more grip over there. Good. How you feeling?
I just want to get to
yeah.
So I think this is Wine Spring Gap. There's like a campsite up there. I don't know how far this is because I got my phone in a Ziploc because I don't want it to get wet. But I mean, I've been walking maybe 40 minutes or so, I guess. But I mean, it's on a map, so anyway. I don't think that's the Bartram. Pretty sure it's labeled. So pretty with the fog. Just grateful it ain't pouring down rain at this point. Sally, get behind me, please. Behind. Alright. Oh, maybe this is Wine Spring Gap. Okay, so this must be Wine Spring. Looks like a bigger place to hammock hang too. Camp. Alright, I think this is where the Bartram goes. Yeah. So I got 2 miles to go. Not bad. I just wanted to make sure you didn't miss the turn. You're welcome. I do way better going downhill than I do up. Oh, there's another broken tree. 2 miles to go. Let's hope we can beat the rain to the car. Man, this is so pretty. I wasn't liking the wet tent this morning and all that, but like, I'm enjoying the foggy walk. I really like this. But I think I said that earlier. I don't remember what I said. It's too early in the morning, but that double rainbow, like I was worried like with the winds because we were having like 20-30 mile an hour winds last night, and I'd kind of heard about like the ridge pole like breaking or bending, and it held strong all night. Like, I mean, like my sidewall would sometimes get pushed in, and like at one point one of my stakes came up, but that's just because I didn't have it all the way down on the ground. But yeah, I just love that tarp tent. I mean, it kept us dry, like there was no water, no pooling. It's fantastic. So props to tarp tent for making an excellent tent design. So just enjoying the hike to the car. I will say Helen says she didn't get more than like a couple hours sleep, so that's why we're trying to kind of just hustle it to the car, because we both got like 2.5-3 hour drives, so close to. I think she's wet and probably just needs to get in some dry clothes. But, yeah, we're just doing what we can. Oh, this is cool. I wish I could get a picture of this. I don't want to get my phone out. It looks so cool. But we're just grateful that the bathrooms were unlocked up at YS, so like she could just take shelter in there. But I told her, I was like, you should have just came and got in the tent with me and Sally. But just telling you, the second day, something about the second day, it just goes crazy. This would be a cool like camping area if it was like kind of cleaned out. Especially for like stargazing and stuff at night. Oh, you can see the mountains down there. Looks like it's starting to rain. Feels like it's definitely getting colder. Wind picked up. Wow. How you doing, Sass? Good girl. Oh, come here, baby. Aw, come on. I'll fix you up. There we go. All better. That car! Woo! I see the car!
No way!
Yeah, it's right there!
I thought you...
Woohoo! Wow, what a day. Granted, it was a short day, but still glad it was a short day with the weather and circumstances. But another great trip. Had a section of the Bartram done. So this covered from Wallace Branch to Sawmill Gap. So, well, oh man, I'm so happy to see the car. Because yesterday, my legs have been hurting bad today. Like last night even, it was just hard to get comfortable. And so I'm glad today was short and everything. Anyway, we are here. Oh, there's a tree down. Well, that would be confusing. Why is there a yellow blaze all the way down there? That's weird. Wow. What a difference a day makes. Like when we was here yesterday, it was blue sky, clear. Today is nothing but fog. I think even Sally's ready to get in the car. Woohoo! Alright, we'll see y'all next time.